Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls alike. Peace be with you. Today we're going to be reading a story or a nursery rhyme about the importance of cleaning and picking up after yourselves. This did take some time to make, so please show your appreciation by liking, subscribing, and sharing with others to send them the message too. Alright, now let's begin. On a summer day, one in which Alia and Alan would play. They scattered some toys, they made some noise, they caused a mess and made distress. They ran outside around a tree, they saw Tim and said, "Come play with me." On a summer day, one in which Alia, Alan, and Tim would play. They took off their shoes and socks, they ran to the shiny toy box. They caused a mess and made distress. They ran outside around a tree, they saw Bahu and said, "Come play with me." They played some ball, dashed through the halls, they caused a mess and made distress. They ran outside around a tree, they saw Terry and said, "Come play with me." On a summer day, one in which Alia, Alan, Tim, Bahu, and Terry would play. They for once settled down and grabbed a book. However, they decided to peek and look. They noticed the mess. This didn't bother them at all. In fact, they continued to draw on the wall. They ran outside around a tree, they saw Fox and said, "Come play with me." They sprinted inside, but would soon collide with all the toys they threw to the side. Alia fell and hit her butt. Alan tripped and hit his gut. Tim stepped on much too many toys, and so did some of the other boys. Terry tried to stop, but he came crashing down and hit his arm. Fox knew that they would all get harmed. They started to have fun less and less, and soon their mothers told them to clean this mess. So one by one they picked up toys and made the room nice and neat, until the house was nice and sleek. Each and everyone learned something new, that making a mess could hurt them too. Now let's talk about the moral of this story. It's actually almost straightforward. You need to pick up your toys after you've played with them because you and others can get seriously hurt. However, this doesn't only pertain to toys. This story can hold another meaning to other things, such as homework or chores. If you ignore them and don't pay attention, they can start accumulating. Accumulating means to get bigger and add all up. Everything small will eventually add up and become a big problem. So instead of procrastinating and saying you'll do it later or feeling lazy, do it while it hasn't added up. And make sure you take care of all the small problems before they become big. And that was the messy summer. I hope you enjoyed. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be with you. And stick around because I will do another book next time. Assalamu alaikum.